Hey guys, Motorcar Nut here, and today we're going to be resetting the door window switches, their set limit. This is required every time you disconnect the battery, or if the battery runs low, or if you replace the switch or like that. The computer has to know when the window is all the way up and when it's all the way down. All of them. All right, you're going to get codes. It's not going to throw a check engine light on because that's emissions. But this, if you do a scan of the vehicle, you may see these codes. You see it says door electronics, driver's side, motor for front window regulator, no basic setting. And the same with the other one. There's 4 of them for each windows. You may get 4 codes pop up. There's only 2 here because I erased the other 2 to make sure they work. I always do that, because I don't want to give you guys information and it doesn't work for myself. Even though it's factory manual, sometimes it just doesn't work. So we'll work on, this is a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. All right. And those are the codes, B11EC54 and B11EE54. See this? You see the last 3 digits? The last is, the third from the last is a C, and the other one's E. So there's A and B, C and E. I don't know if there's a D, but anyhow, that just means the location of the windows. It really doesn't matter because I'm going to show you how to reset them all, and then you're going to re-clear the codes. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put the key on. You don't have to start the vehicle, and you do one at a time. All right, well, the window should be, all right, it's down all the way. It can be up or down, it doesn't matter. So it's down, so we're going to go all the way up. All right, I like to do it with the window up. All right, so now it's up. You push it all the way down and you hold it until the window goes all the way down. 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. A little squeaky, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you do the other one. See, they're down, but they should be up. So let's put it back up, and we start it from now, okay? So now we press the button, down, 2, wait till it gets to the end. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you let it go. The back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's up. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now what you do, if you have a scan tool, you could clear those codes. All right, you got these codes coming up. You could clear them, and they should all be clear. Now, that's assuming that you have no electrical problem, or if the motors, it's something wrong with the motors. But usually you'll know your windows are not working. And this is, sometimes they don't work. But sometimes you just, these work, but they got a code for it. So they didn't know. And another thing is when you hit the button, your express down feature won't work with these codes. So you may know, that's the first thing you may notice. All right. I'll put that back up. And that's basically how you do it. You'll clear the codes and you're good to go. I mean, it's, it's not that big of a deal, but it's a little bit annoying, and you want everything to work perfect. All right, guys, so that's how that's done. Motorcar Nut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to this video, leave them below. I answer all my questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.